Here are 10 basic steps in a step-by-step process that you must do in order to start your cargo van business.
Alright, so you gotta figure out a creative business name. You gotta get a business email, a business address, a business phone number, and a professional logo made, a business logo. Now that can run you anywhere between like $100 to $500 depending on where you go and how you get it done. Next, you take that information and you LLC that information, right? You turn it into a company or you S corporate. Either way, you make it a legal business. Alright, so listen, now you go and get your EIN number. It's completely free. Your EIN number is like your identification number for your business, similar to how you have a social security number for being an individual. Alright, now you're going to have to legally register in your state to do business and get yourself a business license, right? You're going to go down to the local Department of Revenue. You're going to talk to them. You're going to see whatever fee they have. Tell them your LLC information, and then they're going to register you with the state. Alright, now that can range you anywhere between $20 to $100. Alright, it's nothing too much, but you got to have your information right. And also, to go back on what I was saying, to have your information right, you're going to need a NAICS code. Basically, know what your NAICS code is for what type of business you're running, especially in a cargo van business. As soon as you leave and you walk out of that Department of Revenue business, you go back online and you register your business with the 411 registry, all right? That's going to help you have credentials, and make you look like a professional business, and so that everybody can go look you up, etc.
All right, then after that, you're going to go ahead and get your DMV number so you can start building business credit. That should be free as well. Alright, now you're ready to open up a bank account, a business bank account. So go down to your local credit union, is what I prefer. Or, go to Truist or Bank of America, Wells Fargo, etc. Open up a business bank account. But a good business bank account, they're going to request you to put down a deposit or to have a certain amount in there monthly, alright? Ranges anywhere between $0 to $500. Now it's insurance time. You got to call around and get them quotes. Now, depending on your driving record, your deposit for this premium could be anywhere between $500 to $2,000 at most that I've seen, alright? Okay, now you're almost to the finish line, family, but depending on the type of business you want to run, right? A professional business, you will be able to show what your employees are making, right? So, therefore, if you're in a certain type of situation where you'll need to show pay stubs soon, whether you're renting, purchasing a vehicle, purchasing a house, you need to show pay stubs, then you need to run pay stubs, right, family, through ADP or maybe Gusto or any other professional pay stub service. You need to be able to show what employees are making, aka yourself, through the business, right? And I'm talking on a monthly and a weekly basis. If you don't need to run pay stubs, meaning you're in a good situation, you're not going to need to purchase a house or a car or anything like that anytime soon, then just, use bank statements, right? Have all the apps that you're getting paid through, transfer